Want to wake up feeling lighter, healthier, and more energized? What if I told you that just one tiny seed before bed could transform your digestion, boost your metabolism, and even improve your sleep? Flax seeds might look small, but they pack a huge punch when it comes to health benefits. From weight loss to glowing skin, better digestion, and even heart health, eating flax seeds at night could be the game changer you've been looking for. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly what happens to your body when you eat flax seeds before bed for just 1 week. You won't believe the results. Stay tuned till the end, because I'll also share the best way to consume flax seeds for maximum benefits. Nutritional profile of 1 tablespoon of flax seeds. 1 tablespoon, about 10 grams, of flax seeds is a powerhouse of nutrients that support overall health. Calories, 55, protein, 1.9 grams, carbohydrates, 3 grams, fiber, 2.8 grams, total fat, 4.3 grams, omega-3 fatty acids, ALA 2.3 grams, monounsaturated fat, 0.8 grams, polyunsaturated fat, 3 grams, calcium, 26 milligrams, magnesium, 27 milligrams, phosphorus, 45 milligrams, potassium, 60 milligrams, iron, 0.4 milligrams, lignans, high amounts, powerful antioxidants. Flax seeds are one of the richest plant sources of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, which supports heart and brain health. They also contain a high amount of fiber, which aids digestion and promotes gut health. Additionally, flax seeds are abundant in lignans, plant compounds with antioxidant and hormone-balancing properties. Shocking impacts of eating flax seeds at night for 1 week: improved digestion and gut health. Flax seeds are an excellent source of soluble and insoluble fiber, which plays a crucial role in digestion. Consuming them at night can help regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation. The soluble fiber in flax seeds absorbs water and forms a gel-like substance in the intestines, promoting smoother digestion. Meanwhile, the insoluble fiber adds bulk to stool, aiding in regular bowel movements. If you struggle with bloating, gas, or irregular digestion, eating flax seeds before bed can support a healthy gut microbiome and alleviate these issues. Better sleep quality. Flax seeds are rich in tryptophan, an amino acid that plays a role in serotonin production. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter that helps regulate mood and is a precursor to melatonin, the hormone responsible for sleep. Eating flax seeds at night can promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. Additionally, the magnesium content in flax seeds has been linked to better sleep patterns and reduced symptoms of insomnia. If you have trouble falling or staying asleep, incorporating flax seeds into your nightly routine might help you sleep more soundly. Enhanced weight loss and metabolism boost. Flax seeds can be an excellent addition to a weight loss diet due to their high fiber and protein content. Eating them at night helps curb late-night cravings by keeping you full for longer. The fiber slows digestion and stabilizes blood sugar levels, preventing unnecessary hunger pangs. Moreover, omega-3 fatty acids found in flax seeds help boost metabolism and reduce fat accumulation. By adding a tablespoon of flax seeds to your nighttime diet, you may experience gradual weight loss and improved fat-burning efficiency over a week. Hormonal balance and reduced PMS symptoms. One of the most surprising effects of eating flax seeds at night is their ability to regulate hormones. Flax seeds contain lignans, plant compounds that have phytoestrogenic properties. These compounds mimic estrogen in the body, helping to balance hormone levels, particularly in women. If you suffer from PMS symptoms such as bloating, mood swings, or cramps, consuming flax seeds at night can provide relief. Additionally, postmenopausal women may experience improved hormonal balance and reduced hot flashes after incorporating flax seeds into their diet. Lowered blood sugar levels. For individuals dealing with high blood sugar or insulin resistance, flax seeds can be a game changer. Their high fiber content helps slow the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing spikes in blood glucose levels. Eating flax seeds at night ensures that your body processes carbohydrates more efficiently while you sleep. Over time, this can lead to improved insulin sensitivity and reduced risk of type 2 diabetes. If you struggle with fluctuating blood sugar levels, adding flax seeds to your diet might be a simple yet effective solution. Improved heart health and lower cholesterol. Flax seeds are one of the best plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their heart protective benefits. These healthy fats help reduce inflammation, lower triglycerides, and prevent the buildup of plaque in arteries. Additionally, flax seeds contain lignans, which may lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and increase good cholesterol, HDL. Consuming flax seeds at night supports heart health by keeping cholesterol and blood pressure in check while you rest. If you have a family history of heart disease, this simple dietary change could be beneficial in the long run. Detoxification and liver health. Flax seeds support the body's natural detoxification process. Their high fiber content aids in the elimination of toxins through the digestive system. Moreover, flax seeds contain antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress and support liver function. Eating flax seeds at night allows your body to detoxify efficiently while you sleep, reducing the burden on the liver. Over time, this can lead to clearer skin, improved energy levels, and overall better health. Reduced inflammation and joint pain relief. Chronic inflammation is linked to various diseases, including arthritis, heart disease, and autoimmune disorders. Flax seeds are packed with ALA omega-3 fatty acids, which have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. If you suffer from joint pain or inflammation-related conditions, consuming flax seeds at night may help reduce discomfort. Over time, consistent intake can lead to better mobility, less stiffness, and overall reduced inflammation in the body. Enhanced brain function and mental clarity. Flax seeds contribute to brain health by providing essential omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. These nutrients support cognitive function, memory, and overall mental clarity. Eating flax seeds before bed ensures that your brain gets the necessary nutrients while you sleep, promoting better focus and concentration the next day. Additionally, the magnesium in flax seeds helps reduce stress and anxiety, leading to a calmer mind. If you experience brain fog or struggle with mental fatigue, this small dietary change could make a big difference. Healthier skin and hair growth. Flax seeds are a beauty-boosting superfood due to their high omega-3 content, antioxidants, and essential nutrients. These compounds help maintain hydrated, glowing skin by reducing dryness, inflammation, and acne. Additionally, the lignans in flax seeds support hormonal balance, which plays a role in skin health. When it comes to hair growth, the omega-3s and proteins in flax seeds nourish hair follicles, making hair stronger and shinier. If you desire better skin and hair health, incorporating flax seeds into your nightly routine may yield visible results within a week. Strengthened immune system. Flax seeds are loaded with antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, and essential nutrients that help boost your immune system. Their lignin content has been shown to have antiviral and antibacterial properties, helping the body fight infections more effectively. Additionally, the high fiber content promotes gut health, and since a significant portion of the immune system resides in the gut, a well-balanced microbiome can improve immunity. Eating flax seeds at night ensures that your body absorbs these essential nutrients while you sleep, giving your immune system a natural boost. Over time, this could lead to fewer colds, faster recovery from illnesses, and overall better resilience against infections.